Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Since some of you are facing some problem in creating an account on Snapchat, in this video I'm going to guide you how to create an account easily on Snapchat. Open the app first, tap on the sign up option, enter your first and last name, choose your birth date. Here Snapchat will suggest you a username. If you like it, then tap on continue, or if you don't like, then tap on change my username. Now put the username of your desired. Here set up a strong password that you can remember in future, then tap on continue. Enter any email that you have access to. If you want to add phone number of yours, then put it, otherwise you can skip this. Then Snapchat will suggest you some of IDs to be your friends. If you are satisfied, then add, otherwise you can skip it also. Again skip. Now you have created your account. See, it's very easy. If this video helped you a little bit, then hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.